Hi, Arvind. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning, sir. I'm good. Thank you, sir.
Thanks for coming interview, Arvind. And I just going through your profile and I impress your profile. So just want to understand more about your role, responsibility, what you've done previously, so that me and team can understand. Can you elaborate, please?
Yes, sir. Definitely. Sir, it's my pleasure to introduce myself. I am Arvind Chan. I am from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. I have completed my BTech in Tripoli branch uh, from Trident Academy of Technology in the year of 2011. I have total year of experience as a data analyst, and I have total 10 year of experience and using Microsoft SQL, Microsoft Excel, Tableau, PPT, and Python. And coming to my daily work in my organization, my work is communicate with my client, stakeholder, my manager, regarding understand the business related data, and uh, and after that I have well versed in Microsoft SQL, extracting, manipulating data from database, and I'm using that SQL queries like join function, set operators, and where clause, having clause, and to get more insights from those data. And I am good in Microsoft Excel also. And in Excel, I am using Excel filter, Excel data validation, VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, pivot chart, pivot tables, and dashboard preparation for graphical presentation to our clients or my manager. And I am working knowledge in data visualization tools like Tableau. In Tableau, I prepared some dashboard and chart for better communication with our clients. And I have basic knowledge in Python, and in Python I have knowledge in pandas, NumPy, and matplotlib. And I must say that accepting new technologies and working in challenging environment is my strength. And in my free time, I read Nobel and newspapers also. Thank you.
Nice. Yeah. So looks like you have a 10+ year experience in a public sector company working.
Yes, sir. So I'm working in Wapcus Limited. It's a public sector undertaking.
Okay, so working a public sector, what is the reason behind you are moving to a public sector company to a IT and software company? Why you decide to change the company?
Sir, as I have already mentioned that I have 10 year of experience as a data analyst, and I know those domain like SQL, Excel, Tableau, and Python. And right now I'm in contract basis. That's the main reason. And for my better development in my career growth, I want to get a good chance in good opportunity or good chance in IT sector. And I think your company is suitable for me for this position.
Okay, you want to grow, you want to explore your skills, and you want to grow your experience. Okay,
yes,
that's
sir.
nice. Okay, nice. So I want to understand. May I know the project details? What you done from your company?
Yes, sir. Sir, basically we're dealing with various government projects. In that, my work is getting different of data from different of sources, like in some data from internal data, or some data are external data. And after getting those data, I do some filtration work like data cleaning, data filtering, and finding all values, duplicate values. And after that, I using ETL process, I put those data, input those data into SQL Server, and using some SQL queries, I clean clean those data and get some more insights, getting more insights, and those insights, and using SQL, using Excel, I use VLOOKUP or pivot chart or pivot table for graphical presentations. And for better visualization purpose, I use Tableau. And in Tableau, I generally built dashboards and various charts, graphs for better communication with our client or stakeholders, and share those data to our client for their as per their requirement.
Okay, so nice. You are doing the data management, you do data collection, you do data cleansing, you do data, finding the data insight, you put a lot of effort to data enhancing, then you are providing as per the business leader, they want to consume the data. That's really nice. So like when you're telling internal data
So,
and that external data, what is the difference between internal data and external data?
sir, internal data, basically the organization data, means in our company have some data, those are called internal data. And external data, like we have to collect from some database or other like government portals. Those are external data.
Okay, sometimes for your analysis purpose, you do extract
Yes,
the
sir.
data, you do collect the data. We are connected type with some other organization. You get the
Yes,
data,
sir.
third party data you are getting.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the size of a data you do manage in your current project? What is the volume of data you manage?
So I can't say that there's some size or volume, but is huge data. Like you can say that in a government have so many records in their database, so many projects, and so many different of projects have different of data size. So they're depending on the project, and depending on their requirement. The sizes
Okay,
varies,
so
sir.
you mean you do handle multiple projects and
Yes, sir.
yeah. So mainly the dealing of data you based on in which like tool, Excel, yeah, SQL database, Tableau. Which one is you more prefer to manage the data in your current company?
Sir, basically, I use MS SQL, Microsoft
Okay,
SQL Server, and MS Excel also for graphical presentation,
okay,
and for PPT or any other presentation also.
okay. You
And
do PPT presentation also.
yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
And when you were mentioning that you are managing data using SQL query through all the data, so what is that? One question I just want to coming to mind. Do you connect with it multiple server, multiple database through the get the data?
Yes, sir.
Which concept you use for that?
Sir, using ETL process.
No, 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 no. My question is, we want to get the data from multiple table, multiple server, multiple database. What are the concept you are going to use once you want to get the data from multiple server
Sir, multiple server.
or multiple table? You want to get the data.
Yes, sir. So there's some like Excel data.
No, no, I'm talking SQL. In SQL,
Okay,
data are present in multiple table or multiple server or multiple database. I want to
sir.
get the data into single table.
Sir, for that, okay. So for that, I use join function.
Okay,
So to join multiple data in one table.
okay. You do join concept. Can you
Sir.
explain what is join? What are the different type of join available in SQL?
Yes, sir. Sir, join is basically joining of two table or multiple tables, and for join we need the basic concept is for joining two table is required minimum two tables, and both have uniquely both have uh, that the ID must be the same in
Okay.
the both the table. And uh, there are four type of join in the join function, that inner join, outer join, cross join, and self join.
Correct.
In outer join there are three types, that left join, right join, and full join.
Okay. Nice. Okay. Coming to like when you're telling data are present in database, do you deal with it directly pulling the data from table? Yeah. Any other way you get the data from your database? Or directly you accessing from table level data?
So sometimes I have to directly access from data, or sometimes I have
No,
to
no, 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 no. My question is the
okay.
data. what you are pulling from your database, you do directly pull the data from table level, yeah, any other level?
Sir, there is a process is that is ETL process.
Okay.
I have to that extract, transform, and load. With that process, I have to pull that data into SQL Server.
Okay. My question was to pull the data from a table, but I believe that people are using to view level data from organization to data security purpose. So you do pull the data from table level view.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Nice. What is stored procedure? Why you are using stored procedure? What is the advantage of a stored procedure?
So the store procedure is basically store the data, and if we have a long query, so we have to store in that store procedure. So for that we call it in as a in other name like alias. So in that, and we have in that store procedure. We don't want we never no not to repeat that query again and again.
Okay, you mean that when process or the task you are doing repeatedly, and
Yes, sir.
yeah, to avoid this repetition, to save the time, and you are using a procedure and you are storing somewhere. Whenever need, you are calling that. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Nice. What is set operator, and what are the different set operator available in?
Sir, set operator are like union, union all, intersect, and mm, union all, intersect, and
Okay, no problem. What is the difference between union and a union all?
sir, in union, it collect that entire the data that common between the table, both the table. But in union all, it select all the data from the table.
Okay. Do you have a pen paper with you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So imagine you have a two table like a one is a Bangalore data sales data, one is Hyderabad sales data. So I want to get the data, all the data from Bangalore table. Okay.
Sure.
So all the data from Bangalore table, but related to the Hyderabad matching, whoever may be matching for that data, I want to fetch. Which
Okay.
SQL join concept you will use, and what is the approach for that? Can you write the syntax?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Sir, can you please repeat that question? There's a two table in that one.
Bangalore
and
one is
one
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Okay.
You want to get the data from all the data from a Bangalore table, but matching to the Hyderabad. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So for that, I have to join that join function. That
just approach I want to, maybe syntax
okay.
You can later text me.
Okay, so that approach is I have to that I want to get that Bangalore. If I want to get that Bangalore data, I want to get that join function, inner join function.
Are you sure that inner join? You want all the data from Bangalore table?
Okay, I want to. Okay. I want to all the data from Bangalore tables, or it's a left join.
Okay, left.
Because yes, sir. Left join. Sir.
Outer join.
Left outer join. Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Left outer. Correct. Okay. Okay. So, do you have a knowledge on like a Tableau, data visualization, business intelligence?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you explain the Tableau hierarchy?
So Tableau hierarchy is like a
product family hierarchy.
Okay, so product family that Tableau desktop, Tableau server, Tableau online, and Tableau public and Tableau reader.
Okay, what is the difference Tableau desktop and Tableau server?
Sir, in Tableau desktop, we all the dashboard means all the report preparation work done in the Tableau desktop, and in Tableau server we just share the data to the client side or user, those who have access for that server.
Okay, so you told that you build a project in the ETL process, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you explain what the process you involve and engaged and implemented that in your project in ETL?
Sir, first of all, that if when I got the data in Excel format, and after that I have to check how the data and what this different of tables are in the Excel, and after that I have to clean those data. Suppose there is some null values or something blank table. So after that, I have to put in the ETL process. In ETL process, if my in process, suppose there is an email address is not required, and for a mobile number is not required for the next process. So I have to put those data in the SQL server. And in SQL Server, there is a using that ETL process. I have to select those data I want, and I input in the server.
Okay. So you do collect that multiple data from different sources, and you
Yes,
want
sir.
to put into single sources. That the source level, you collect all the Excel, and you do data cleaning, data transformation, you do enhancing the data, and finally putting into SQL database. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In Excel, you are telling you as looks like you even you also use Microsoft Excel.
Yes, sir.
What are the size of data we can store in the Microsoft Excel?
Sir, size of data must approx 4 lakhs, 4 lakhs 40,000 approx.
Approximately 4 lakhs. You checked today, it is 4 lakh, yeah, something
Sir,
else.
sir, it's sorry, sir, it's 14 lakhs, 14 lakhs.
Okay, even you are not up to correct, you can check.
Okay.
Today.
Okay, sir, I will, sir.
Okay, the size of data we can Excel. What is the VLOOKUP formula?
So VLOOKUP formula is it's a lookup sir, actually it look up that data what you want to get.
Okay.
And so if we have one table, and that's we have to find out which data we want. So we use that VLOOKUP. So formula, sir, right now it's not coming to my mind.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You mean you using VLOOKUP, you vertically fetch the data from other sources to compare
yes, sir,
the
exactly.
data. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All
Yes,
right.
sir.
What is data governance? Can you tell what is mean data governance?
Sir,
I just
data,
want to,
okay. Sir, data governance means who is going to handle those data?
Yeah.
Who are handling those data, and that under data governance.
Okay, I mean, what is the approach? Why people, a lot of organizations, the building, new processes coming to picture data governance?
Sir, my point of view, sir, data governance, there are so many data in that in the server. So there should be the security in those data.
Okay.
So for
So
security
mostly,
purpose,
even as you know, a lot of company are collecting massive amount of data. So when collecting the massive amount of data, some like a governance body should be there who can manage the data, who can create a set of rules and regulation so that organization can maintain that data quality, data security, data privacy, and the GDPR rule, HIPAA rule is coming, and in India maybe the rule is not there. But in other country, if you want to use the data policies, you need to follow the lot of instruction, lot of rule regulation from government point of view. Same way, we are developing data governance. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. So tell me, what is your strength?
Sir, my strength is accepting new technologies. In today's market, there are lots of technologies is there. So so for that we have to learn more and more. So my strength is accepting those new technologies and working in challenging environment, because in my organization I have handled so many projects individually and with team also. So I can say that it's my strength.
Okay. So tell me, in this 10-year experience, what is the biggest challenges? How you overcome the challenges? Can you situation where you overcome the challenges?
Yes, sir. Sir, in my previous, there are two in this project. We have a team, but in previous two project, I have handled individually. And right now, I'm in my organization. I'm also in my client side. So I have handled so many things with our client also. Direct contract with our client and giving their day-to-day PPT also, and for better clarity of the project, for better improvement of the project, I have to deal with the client directly.
Okay, nice. How soon you can join if you're, suppose in case you are selecting, how soon you will join? What is your notice period?
Sir, I have my notice period is 1 month, but it negotiable.
It can be negotiable. Okay, all right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, all right, Arvind. I think I'm done. Do you have any question for us?
Sir, I want to know if I'm got selected, in which technologies you are using, and who are the clients?
Yeah, it is in-house project, Arvind, and we are looking someone who can handle the lot of data and using that, a lot of using technologies there like SQL, Excel, Tableau, knowledge and Python. We're looking
Sure.
someone exploring to machine learning, not now, but in future that we are looking.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. All right, Arvind, and thanks for your time.
Thank you,
And
sir. Thank you so much.
yeah, thank you.